Today I bring you the most easy, effective stomach exercises to lose your belly fat. Yes friends, this is the same fat around this very abdominal region which comes into your hand and jiggles when you walk, when you run, and it just looks so terrible. But today, with easy, effective exercises, you can finally get rid of all of that jiggly fat which is so stubborn around your belly area. If you have excess belly fat, it also increases the risk of having a heart attack. So now finally we have to bid adieu to this belly fat. How much more longer can you carry it along this very area? I'm sure you want to fit into your favorite clothes. So finally, let's say bye-bye belly fat. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this workout around with me, and this is completely beginner friendly. Many of you ask which is the best time to do this exercise and how many reps should we do? Well, the best time to do it, at least 2 hours gap between your meals and this exercise. The most ideal time is early in the morning as soon as you wake up. Now, the second question, how many reps should you do? You can do the first rep with me along while playing this video, and if you feel the need, you can do it 2 times, 3 times more. First, when you do these exercises, it might seem like it's little tough. So never mind, just do it once, and then slowly when you start getting fitter, you will feel the need to do it more than once, maybe twice, thrice or even 4 times a day. You're sure to see better results then. And along with these exercises, if you're looking to join a paid weight loss customized program, then you can click on the link given below in the description. You can join my paid weight loss program, which is going to be a transformation in itself, because you will learn so much. Get to eat your favorite foods, your likes, your dislikes, everything will be taken into consideration. You will even get the diet plan according to your work timings. Also, there will be a doctor, dietitian, health counselor along with me assisting you throughout your journey. What more do you want? We are here to help you, and your health matters to us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.